Individual disability insurance in the small business market has many applications. What we commonly see is the use of individual disability insurance for income protection for small business owners. If we think about how an owner is compensated, even if they have a group long term disability plan, oftentimes it does not cover their full compensation. Many small businesses are pass through entities like an S corporation that where the end of year profits are paid in a distribution known as K1 income. Oftentimes, those distributions are over and above the coverage being offered by a group long term disability plan. So that could leave the small business owner underinsured. So that's why they would add an additional layer of coverage on top of their group LTD on a fully underwritten basis as an individual, and they would own that themselves outside of the business. And this would allow them to help protect their income. Also, in the small business market, we know that there are employees at these small businesses. Some of them are highly compensated, even if they're not owners. So many times we see that executives on an individual basis will also go to the individual market to obtain fully underwritten coverage on their own for their personal planning. And lastly, some small businesses, usually the ones that are more established and finding success in their given market, may consider offering an executive disability plan that is paid by the employer. Sometimes those premiums are grossed up in the executive's wages, other times it's employer paid. So, just to recap, the three main applications for individual disability insurance in the small business market are for number one, the owners of the company need individual disability insurance coverage for their own personal income protection. The second is for highly compensated employees at those companies who may want to purchase fully underwritten individual disability coverage on their own for their own personal planning as well. And then the third application that we see is when the small business wants to provide a corporate benefit offering known as an executive disability plan that is an employer provided and paid for benefit for their highly compensated executives and owners. If you'd like to learn more about individual disability insurance coverage for the small business owner market, feel free to reach out.